So for the slide 6, we will look at the real world example involving steering gear. So the steering gear is the one of the most important system on ship because it controls the vessel direction. It it fails, the ship can lose control, which may lead to collision and grounding. And under SOLAS 11.1.29, all steering gear components must be made from strong and reliable materials that can handle high stress and continuous operation. SOLAS also require duplication or fail-safe design, meaning the steering system must still function even if the one part breaks. To ensure safety, IACS classification societies check the quality of materials, the welding procedure, and the construction process. This is your the ship remains maneuverable and safe even during harsh weather or emergencies. For slide 7, let's move to slide 7. Here are the another real-world example involving propeller and shaft bearing. So the propeller and shaft is the critical part of ship propulsion system. IACS URM 85 sets strict standard for synthetic synthetic materials used in propeller shaft bearings. These materials undergo friction and water tests, as such as ASTM G7717 to simulate harsh material conditions. Once of the material pass all these tests, they receive classification from Classification Society. This process ensures the ship propulsion system stays reliable, reduces risk of unexpected breakdowns, and minimize costly repair while at sea. So slide 8 explain why all these rules and standards are important. First, this requires help prevent catastrophic failures such as fire, structural damage, and or loss of steering. Second, they protect only the crew and passenger, but also a marine environment from accident. Third, they are support international trade because having a consist safety standard building trust between countries. Finally, these standards also encourage innovation, pushing companies to involve to develop safer, more durable, and more environmental friendly materials for ship. Now on slide 9, let's summarize what we learned. SOLAS provide a legal safety framework for ship construction and the material requirements. It sets a minimum standard for safety on board. ISCS or on the other hand provides technical details including testing procedure and specific material requirements. Together, SOLAS and ISCS ensure that all materials used on ship are safe, durable, and reliable. This includes fire-resistant cables, duplicate steering gear components, and tested propeller shaft bearing. So their combined work gently enhances the safety of marine operation around the world. Finally, slide 10. So this slide 10 contains the Q&A portion. These are the question test your understanding of the key topic such as the purpose of SOLAS, which vessel it's applied to, the historical background of convention, and the supporting role of ISCS in setting technical standard. This section helps review the important concept discussed in the previous slides.